I gotta go help him get his drink. Another day, another field trip. The goal on this trip, as we go over to the lake, is to make $100,000 all on the same day. Is catching one more of these bitches. Y'all that don't know what this is a fish. We're fishing, we're skiing, we're kayaking, we're snowboarding. We're not snowboarding. I don't know what we're doing. I'm just gonna eat a whole bunch of ass, make $100,000, catch a whole bunch of fish, and I'm gonna do it all in one day or one trip. Now I wanna do it all in one day. All in one day. I'm rambling at this point. Let's go get in the party bus. Come on. There's a stripper pole in there, baby.
No, don't say that.
Turn the camera off. Made it, baby. No, so the goal is catch a fish, cook a fish, and eat a fish. Did you hear that quack? Yeah. That was f***ing embarrassing. Cook a fish and eat a fish.
Yo.
Yo.
What are you doing in here, bro? You've been in here all day.
Locked in, bro. Locked in. Earlier in the video, well, this was yesterday, been here all morning, I said that I would make $100,000 out here, catch a fish, eat a fish, a fish. I don't remember what else I said, but this is the trade that we're in. This is the trade that I'm getting out of currently. $181,000 in profit. I want to close this trade and put my account nearly back at that 1 million where I was. Yeah, so we ended up profiting 180K for the day. I'm up on this account in general. We started at 500K, up almost 500K just in the last couple weeks. So been really solid. I'm happy with that. Now we're on vacation, so let's just go have some fun.
How you guys feeling out here?
Great.
Just another day?
Another day. Man, we out here living life. Hold on tight, I'm about to take the off.
What's happening? No. Some ninja shit right here. That's how you rob someone's boat. Is there a ladder to get in from here?
No.
Oh, shit, I'm climbing.
You gotta jump up, bro.
I will. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it.
Got a good fish, bro.
There's no way I'm having babies anymore after that one.
Oh my god.
Oh, my balls ripped on the side of the boat. Seconds before death. The last known video of Mamba before he died. Let's go, let's run it. So it's payday. I gotta pay my manager, obviously, because it's payday. Gotta pay my employees, like always. I got 10 racks for him right now, but I'm gonna do it in cash. If he doesn't catch it, he ain't getting paid this month. It's payday.
Oh, I'm ready. All day.
Good luck. Oh, right there.
I lost my ring.
No.
It's all right. It's a burner.
I gotta go help him get his ring.
Your glasses, your watch.
No, I won't. I'm scared as a bitch. Hey, 10K will buy him a new ring though. Did you really lose your ring?
Yeah.
Now you gotta drive the money and then go buy a ring with it.
All right. Look, it's gone.
Is it a prank?
It was a Rolex ring.
Here it goes. We're jumping in the water. Lucas. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Jump with me, baby. Don't lie.
I'm not.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready?
I'm waiting for you to go so I can go.
Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Baby, are you gonna go?
I'm waiting for you to go so I know you
Okay.
go. I want to see that big butt in there.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Riley did it. Okay, ready?
She was higher than us.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Here we go.
100,000 years later.
Set. Come on,
Ready?
go with me.
I'm gonna go.
I have to follow you. That's why. That's the
Let's go.
problem.
Ready?
1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna run. I'm just gonna run.
1, 2, 3. Holy
Oh, baby, I'm scared. No, I'm really scared.
That was crazy.
It's seriously not scary, but it's scary.
Go for another. I can't get enough, bro. I can't get enough.
What's the secret, bro? Fishing.
Well, look, bro. This is what I always say. If there's a fish in this lake, I'm gonna find it. You're looking cute. Little worm. Take the worm, put him on a hook. String that little bit on there. Huh? You like that? You like that? Talk dirty to the worm a little bit. Well, we're actually professional fishermen.
Hey, this ain't no test, bro. This gonna work.
How's it a test if it's been proven?
Bro, if you catch a fish right now, I'd probably be so amazed. Low key.
Don't worry, we'll tune back in when I got one. It's going to be like 10 seconds anyways. You might catch a megalodon out here. Well, we didn't catch a fish earlier, so now I'm gonna fucking shoot one. Where's my target practice? Fish. Oh, I wish a fucking fish would try me, bro. I really do. I mean business today, baby. All right, let's go find a fish, huh? Country. I'm just a country boy from out of town. Oh, it's mossy. I lost. It's a shoe. It's just a shoe. I'm going for it. They swam away. They're too far. We're way too far now.
Yo, Mama's literally knee deep right now, looking for this fish.
I tried, bro. I tried. This is how I like to fish, bro. Peaceful water. I knew that motherfucker was scared of me. Could be that. Could be that the fish are just, they knew I was in town. They all told each other. It happens sometimes too. Oh yeah, Mama's coming in town, man. It's just so high. He's chasing them. Look at, he's chasing them. Come back. They can feel like the vibrations and stuff. Yeah, he chased them out, man. He f***ed us right now. Damn. This better be the one. Last try. I'm not just having fun. This is a passion, bro. It's a dream. Come on. Right there, right there. This is the spot, bro. And this was it. His last chance. It was now or never. He knew what was on the line. Final cast was out. The worm was sinking. Sweat was dripping down his forehead and his balls. You know what? I'm not even mad, bro. You know why? It's a peaceful sport. You know what I'm saying? We're having fun at the end of the day. That's all it is. A lot of dust, bro. Another day, baby. Another day. I can't stop thinking about the fishes I didn't catch, though. The day you go for the big trade could be the day the markets are all f***ed. So it's just rather just be consistent and just have overall gains. Yeah, thank you. Fun? Oh, I do this for a living, bro. I feed my family.